Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel one item on Shein order. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to cancel a single item on Shein order, the best method is to first try logging into your Shein account and navigating to your orders. So once you're in your My Order section, you need to now simply select the specific order containing the item you wish to cancel. Once you see that, you will find the option called cancel. So once you click on the cancel option, you will be able to cancel that particular order by hitting the yes button. Once you do this, you need to now simply get or give them a reason why you are canceling, or you can just skip this method as well and simply hit the next button and your current order will simply be cancelled. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.